Hi, it's Dan Seiler with the Licata Group. Welcome to the Troon section of Lees Hill North. I'm coming to you from this location because we're excited to announce April 24th we're going to be putting on a declutter workshop in the Lees Hill South Community Center, which of course is part of the overall development. So that workshop is going to be from 7 to 9 p.m. It's free. All you need to do is go to www.licata.events and sign up to join us for that declutter workshop. We're also going to have a professional organization there called N-Hance, and N-Hance gets involved in doing kitchen and cabinet refurbishment for folks who are not going to be moving, want to stay in their house but want to upgrade things. So come join us April 24th, 7 to 9 p.m. at the Lees Hill South Clubhouse. It'll be a terrific event and it's free. So what more could you want? That's all I have. Again, like the Licata Group on Facebook for current posts and updated listing information. Take care and have a great evening.